Good morning everybody. Can you hear that wind? Oh my gosh. I'm falling down the pole. Wow, it is a bit windy this morning. How are you peeps? Monday morning. Are you all well? Ready for this new week? How incredible, isn't it? Already the 6th of July. Wow. So this morning, I'll turn the video because you really want to see me, really, do you? I come to the top of the other side. Last week I was on the other side, the other side, and I looked at coming this here during the full moon and the new moon, because usually you see the full moon right at the bottom for going down, going for a little sleep, going on the other side of the world. But today I'm a bit late. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and so it's a bit late. The moon has already gone down. But it is very windy today. You can see the sea going a little bit wild. You can hear the wind this morning. And actually I've put an extra jacket on this morning, and I'm quite pleased I've put it on. But the sun is here. Look, we have sun. Woo! Yes! Beautiful sun. Right at the top. And so I'll see if you're going to recognize where I am, really. For those who live in Jersey and those who used to live in Jersey, because I've got a lot of you watching those videos whilst you're not living in Jersey. At the top of that little mountain, I'm coming. You've got right at the end, you will see. Good morning, Tim. Hello. Nice and early. It's nice to see you. Hope you had a nice weekend. Ready for this new week. How exciting. Here we are. Look, we're coming right at the end of the cliff, and then you're going to recognize this bit. Look. Oh yes. There's Cornea Farm right at the end. So the tide is up. You can see the water clashing against the rocks down there. Woo. My Wi-Fi is going to keep going because we're a bit far out. Oh, look at that sea. It's gorgeous, mind you. I wouldn't like to be on the ferry at this moment in time. Today, last night, was the full moon. I don't know about you, but I'm quite sensitive to the moons, the full moon and the new moons, and it's a few nights I haven't really slept really well. All that energy. It's an eclipse, lunar eclipse as well, so they're quite powerful. They're also very, very close to us. That energy is incredible. Oh, look, we're getting closer. Et voila! Oh, I love that bit. So previously, on previous video, I've actually come around, but down the bottom of it. So I walked around this part of the mountain. So I'm going to get too close, I don't want to fall now. But this is, you can see pretty post down here, which we've seen, I've shown you several times, and then right down the end, it will be afar. If I get a bit closer, you'll be able to see it. Yeah, I've got to hold my phone, it's so windy. Get back, turning around. Oh wow. Very, very windy. air. That's the way to go first thing in the morning. Yes, so full moons and new moons. I don't know if you're like me, but I'm more sensitive to the moons. And actually, it's super time to use that energy for your own good. So, you know, when you look at the full moon, it's time, it's the moment to celebrate your accomplishments. So, you know, if you got some time today, get a bit of time to yourself and actually look what you accomplished in June. You know, maybe make a list of it, all the great things you've done, and it could be big things, but remember, it's always the small things as well make a big difference in our lives. So what are the little things that have happened to you that just magically turned up? And use the full moon for that energy of a party as well. So if you're celebrating something, if you're, you know, use that energy of the full moon to celebrate things, because that's when things go wild, don't they, in the full moon. Even the police know about it. Full moon nights are always a bit crazy because people get crazy, you don't know why. Well, that's why. It's the energy of the full moon who does that. And at the new moon is the other way around. The new moon is the start, the beginning of some things. So the Egyptians knew it. They used to plant all their crops during a new moon because they knew when you plant things during the new moon, then it grows the perfect way. It grows nice and strong. So if you're launching a book, if you're launching a business, if you're beginning something, try to start it on the new moon, and you will see the energy grow and feed it with loads of nice water, and all the elements will help it grow themselves. Yes, that's my little thing about this morning, my little purpose story this morning. So if you start something, start it on the new moon, and during the full moon, let's celebrate. Use that time to party, to celebrate what you've done, what you've accomplished. It's about dreaming big. And at night time, oh gosh, the last few nights I haven't slept very well at all. And I used to really struggle and fight it and thinking, oh, I need to sleep. And that just makes it worse, really, when you're trying to fight and you're trying to sleep. Whereas now I'm actually using that time to think about the things that I want to happen, or the things that I want to intend in my life, and the new meetings with new people, and the new contract with new clients, and new training sessions that I could be doing all over the world. So I've got, this morning, first thing in the morning, I had somebody in Jakarta, asking me to come and do a training, and it was like, yes, this is amazing, Jakarta, Malaysia, here I come, the busy Queen Bee is coming. So it's always a good time, use that energy instead of fighting it. Dream of it, use that time to dream of what you want and what you want to make happen in your life. This is it. I may just turn that video off and finish my little walk, otherwise you'll be with me for another good half an hour, 40 minutes. Get that bit of fresh air out. Little birds are here. You can hear the seagulls at the back. I'm just right at the top of Petit Port there, and oh yes, look, nice spot to come and say goodbye with a bit of sun in the face. Here we are, turn around. Now I've got the sun in my face, but hey, that's fine, and we love a bit of sun in our face, a bit of shine. People, have an amazing week, enjoy what you're doing. Bring some energy, bring some shyness to what you do. Keep buzzing, keep caring, and keep striving. wishing you all amazing thing this week, and I'm sure I'll see you very soon again. I'm going to be talking again this week. I'll try to find new spots for you on our little islands. All right, bye for now. Bye.